So guys, I just sprayed this side of my hair with hairspray, and I just sprayed like inside and then outside, and then I lift my hair and spray a little bit inside so that I can like fluff it up to make sure that it sticks with like some volume, you know? And look at this side compared to this side. Like this side is like sticking down to my face, like it's just not doing much. But this side over here has like plenty of volume and it just like looks so good. So I'm just saying guys, like this hairspray, 10 out of 10. I love this stuff. It's freaking amazing. And it doesn't make your hair feel all like crunchy and stuff. It actually makes it feel pretty smooth, and like it doesn't have that weird crunchy feeling or like there's hairspray in it. So it's amazing. I freaking love it. But that's all for this little clip. I actually haven't started this vlog at all, so hey guys. I am going to shoot with Amanda downtown today with one of the photographers that we know named Tim, and you have definitely seen his pictures in my vlogs before, but yeah, we're gonna go do a shoot with him, so let's just get into this vlog. So now here is both sides done with hairspray. Like this side looks so much more like voluminous since it did before, so yeah, I freaking love this stuff, guys. I am going to take you along with me because I'm about to crop a t-shirt that I'm obsessed with and I just really want to wear it. So I was like, it doesn't really look good like tucked in, and it's not going to work out as a dress because that's what I originally bought it for. So I was like, should I cut it? And my best friend was like, yes girl, do it. So I'm going to take you guys along with me to crop this t-shirt. So as I just told you guys, I'm going to crop this t-shirt. My best friend told me to turn it inside out so that the hem goes like inwards instead of outwards. So we're just gonna turn her inside out real quick. We're just gonna lay the t-shirt out so that I can make sure not to get any creases. I don't really like this angle because you can see like the dog food in the back, but it'll work. I gotta sit down to do this because I do not want to mess this up. Okay. So when I was like looking at it, I was like here, but let's cut it like right here because I don't want to overcut, you know? These scissors definitely don't have the straightest lines. Oh my god. Ah, I'm so nervous. I already know it's just not gonna all be even, and we're just gonna let that be some character of the shirt because I can't be a perfectionist with this as much as I want to. I just know it's not gonna work. I did it, guys. Okay, let's see how this looks inverted. The seam is definitely rough. It does not look cute, but we're just gonna go with it. I think I did a pretty good job of like where it's cropped. The only thing is that these lines are definitely like jagged and not even at all. But we're just not gonna talk about that. But yeah, this just looks really cute. Let's go see it in the mirror. Okay, so it's definitely uneven a bit. I don't know if I need to like fix that or what. It might just give it some character because like it's definitely like not cut straight for sure. So I don't really know what I want to do about that, but I do definitely like it more cropped because it just looks a lot better than it being long, because now I can wear like jeans with it and like it's a lot easier to mess with. This is the finished look of it. It definitely is very jagged. It's cool. We're just gonna go with it. Hey guys, so here is the outfit of the day. So I have the t-shirt that I cropped that says Savage Vibes. It's from Rue 21. I got this in the men's section. The men's section in Rue 21, their t-shirts are amazing, guys. Like seriously, and they're so cheap too, so highly recommend. And then I'm wearing these jeans from Hollister. They're just basic black skinny jeans. And then I'm wearing my boots from Forever 21. So this is the fit today. I also have this tank top on from Garage. I'm gonna go eat and wait till Amanda gets here to go. Hey guys, I'm here with Amanda. So we're like at the meetup spot. Well, like not there. We gotta walk over there, but we're here-ish. We just gotta walk over to the meetup spot, so. Cute.
Am I pretty yet?
Yes.
Hey, it's gonna take off in minutes.
I know, I'm like.
Please hold on.
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. It's fine. It's fine.
To request a stop, please press the blue stop and press button.
Yes.
I got it.
You just gotta follow with style. That's all that matters.
Certain hours. Do that again.
Look gorgeous.
We look so touristy.
I know, for real.
Guys, the sun is so freaking bright.
I know, I forgot.
These things remind me of Disney. Watch it just like fly off. For real.
Here, give me your tickets because this is for all day.
I have a feeling I'm just gonna fall. I have my vlog camera right there. Don't fall.
I know.
I said these look like dinosaur eggs. We're going to Good Vibes Co. So guys, I just got home. Amanda just dropped me off, and that is all for today's video. Love you guys all so much. I hope you guys had an amazing day, and I will see you guys in the next video.